Well, hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is day 22 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE mathematics, right? So are you very excited for the session today? Today is a very important session that we're going to discuss. In this session we'll talk about 14 PYQs and 1 case study questions. So I hope you're prepared. I hope you're excited for the session. Please take your pen and paper out and solve all these questions with me. Do one thing: for every question that I start, take a pause, solve the question from your side, then come back and check the solution. I hope this is okay. So let's start with the first question coming up for you in the AP PYQ series. Okay, so chaliye do the first question. I hope you can see it. It's a PYQ from 2024. Okay, so question is 3 numbers in AP have the sum 30. So how can they write 3 numbers in AP, bacha? We'll write it like this. If you remember, A minus T, A and A plus D, right? Add them together because the sum is given as 30, sir. Excellent, excellent. D and D cancels, plus and minus is cancelled. I get what? I get 3 equals to 30, A equals to 10. What are they asking? Middle term. Isn't A the middle term? Please check. The middle term is A only, sir. So answer is going to be option B, which is 10. Option B, which is 10. Is this clear? Please have a look. Moving on to question number 2. The first term of an AP is P and the common difference is Q. Then its 10th term is going to be what? Simplest question ever. Okay, asked in CBSE Delhi paper. So AN is equal to what, bacha? A plus N minus 1 times D. You all agree with me? So we are looking for AN value. Correct, they are asking for what? 10th term, right? So excuse me, not AN value, A10 value. So we are looking for A10 value is going to be what? First term. The first term is what? P here, P plus, so 10 minus 1 times of D is how much? Common difference is Q. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, what I'm getting, please check. P plus 9Q, not 9D, 9Q. So which option is this? Please check. Option number C. Okay, moving on to question number 3. Again a PYQ asked in 2023. Okay, they're asking what? The next term of an AP means this is A1, A2, A3. They're asking what? Find A4. Okay, how do you find A4, bacha? Find A3 and add what? The common difference. Correct, now A3 is given. Now what is that? A3, please check. A3 is 54. But we have to find what common difference. But before going to do that, I can simplify this series like this. Have a look. Root 6 is simply root 6, or I can write it as 1 root 6. Root 24. Root 24 will be what, sir? It will be root of 4 times of 6. It will be, okay, I can take this 4 outside. Becomes what? 2 times of root 6. Okay. What about root 54, bacha? So root 54 will be what, bacha? Root of 9 times of 6. Okay, I can take 9 outside. It will become what? 3 root 6. So you can see the pattern now. Root 6, 2 root 6, 3 root 6 means what is the common difference? The common difference is, sir, 2 root 6 minus 1 root 6. What is the answer, bacha? The common difference is simply root 6. What's the common difference? Root 6. Okay, sir. Add over here, sir. Root 6 equals to what? We're going to find what? A4, right? Yeah. So A4 equals to what, bacha? Root 54 plus root 6. How much is that? Root 54 is 3 root 6. So right here, 3 root 6 plus root 6. How much is that? 4 root 6. Bring this root inside. I get what? If you take out, your square becomes the number. If you take inside, the number will be squared. So what I get? 4 square times of 6. That's 16 times of 6. How much is that? 96. How much is that? 96. Okay, correct. Option number B. Please have a look. Easy but interesting question. Okay, it's an interesting question, not like the previous two. Previous two was very easy, right, bacha? Okay, moving on to question number 4. Question number 4. The common difference of the AP. I've done this question in our regular classes also. I think I gave this question in your test as well. Please check. 1 by P. I can write this as what? 1 by P minus P by P, and this as what, cha? 1 by P minus 2P by P. Please check. 2p by p. Okay, so this cancels out, this cancels out. What I'm ending up with, 1 by p comma 1 by p minus 1 comma 1 by p minus 2. Yes, minus 2. So please check here what's the common difference from here to here. If you can subtract, no, 1 by p minus 1, this is my a2 and this is my a1. So a2 minus a1 I'll do. So 1 by p, this is going to be what? My common difference. Check here what I'll have. This will cancel. I'm ending up with minus 1. That is the answer for my common difference. Which option is this? Option number, which is it? Okay, minus 1, right? So C. Okay, good question. Asked in CBSE AI 2020 paper and 2021 paper. Okay, please check. Moving on to question number 5. Asked in 2023 paper. Again, your PYQ from your CBSE examination, both examinations. So if k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are the three consecutive terms of an AP. We know that consecutive term means what, sir? It means A1, A2 and A3 like this. They're consecutive terms. So if they're in AP means what? It means the common difference D would be what, bacha? It'll be A1 minus A2, A2 minus A1. It'll be A2 minus A1, okay? And same way I can write what? A3 minus A2. So please check. A2 minus A1 will be what? This term minus this term. So 4k minus 6 minus k plus 2. Same way A3 is what? 3k minus 2 minus 4k minus 6. Right? Check now. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Okay. Can I subtract? 4k minus k is 3k, minus 6 and minus 2, so minus 8. Please check and verify your subtraction. 3k minus 4k is simply minus k, minus 2k plus 6 is simply minus 4. How come plus 6, sir? This minus sign with this minus sign makes what? Positive. So plus 6. So minus 2 plus 4 will be minus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 will be plus 4, right? Minus 2 plus 6 will be plus 4. 3k minus 4k is minus k. Bring this k over here, this 8 over there. I get 3k plus k equals to 4 plus 8, giving me 4k is given as 12. So k is simply what? 3, sir. K is simply what? 3, sir. Option number A. Please have a look. So these are the 5 MCQ questions that we have taken, and they were all PYQs. I hope you found all of these easy. Again, I want to remind you, this is a session only for AP solving the PYQs. I've taken total of 14 PYQs and 1 case study, right? I want you to show how we can solve a case study for this chapter also. Clear, bacha? Okay, so I hope you are happy with that. I hope you had fun with that. If you have any other comments, any other suggestion, let us know in the comment section. Okay, if you want to download the class notes for this session, or if for the session that is going for the entire series, join the WhatsApp channel. The link for the channel will be given in the description. So please join the WhatsApp channel. You'll get all this thing delivered to you. We will not get your, don't worry about your privacy. We'll not get your details, information. We'll be just giving you the class notes in the WhatsApp channel, available for free. So to complete this preparation, to complete this revision, if you're watching the session, to completely say that you are prepared with this particular topic, how can you do that? How can you say that? By solving all the questions. How will you get the questions? From the PDFs of the class notes available in the WhatsApp channel. So please make sure that you join it and get the benefit of things available on our platform. Moving on to the next section, which is either students like it or they just want to avoid this. Assertion and reason. Chaliye. Question number 1. Assertion: common difference D of the AP 192 and 84 is minus 8. Looks right? Right, na? Check. 92 minus 100, so minus 8 only. 84 minus 92, again minus 8. 76 minus 84, again minus 8. So this is correct. Assertion is correct. The common difference, if I check the reason now, the common difference of an AP, okay, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D is given as common difference D equals to second term minus first term. That's correct, na? That's how we do it. So reason is true and it explains the assertion. So option number A. Please check. Option A is correct. Both assertion and reason is correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right? You all agree with me? Yes, simple problem. Chaliye. Question number 7. Again assertion reason question. A, B, C are in AP if and only if 2B equals to A plus C. Isn't it true? Yes sir, it is true. It's actually a bacha. This is a standard result. Okay. This is a standard result. Actually, what no? You learn about this in your 11th grade when you learn in algebra, sequences and series. This B is called as arithmetic mean. Okay, this is the standard result of AP. For now, I'll show you how do we get it. If I have A, B, C like this in AP, so can I not write common difference D equals to B minus A and also C minus B? I can write, no? Yes sir, you can write. Now do one thing, bacha, bring B on one side and this A over here. So I get what? B plus B equals to what, bacha? C plus A. Isn't this what they're saying? 2B equals to A plus C. Have a look. So this is true, no? If ABC is in AP, the common difference will be like this. B minus A equals to B minus B. And I can bring this B on one side, writing it as 2B equals to A plus C. So assertion is true, sir. Let's look at the reason now. What is it? The sum of first n odd natural numbers. This also is a standard result actually. This also is a standard result, but I'll show you. Dekh lijiye. 1, 3, 5, 7. How many numbers are there? N numbers, right? What's the Sn going to be, bacha? N by 2, twice of A, right? So twice of 1 plus n minus 1. What's the common difference, sir? 3 minus 1. 2. Please check. Common difference is 2, sir. Okay. Great, bacha. Very good. 2 plus, bring this over here, multiplication, expansion. 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. Excellent. What I'm getting, sir? N times of 2n upon 2. 2 to cancel become what? N into n, which is n square. As I said, this is the standard result for sum of all the first n odd numbers is given as n square. So even reason is correct. But does the reason explain the assertion? No sir, they are very different to each other. Second one talks about sum of first n odd numbers, odd natural numbers, whereas first one talks about the standard definition of AP, right? The arithmetic mean concept. It means both are true, assertion and reasons, but not the correct explanation. So option number B is valid. Option number B is valid. So we have completed total of 7 questions. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the session. Okay, since you're watching this video, I have an important announcement to make, for all of you, which is regarding our DSET program. Okay, as we do every year, we are organizing this year also Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. So what is this test, bacha? This is a very uniquely combined aptitude and a scholarship test. What happens is, this will help you understand as a 10th grader, if you have this question, what to do after 10th grade, sir? Or somebody will not have any clue what to do after 10th grade. Okay, I've seen students, I can't name them, but they didn't have any idea what to do after 10th, sir. We'll see that after we pass the 10th grade. After we get the marks in 10th grade, we'll see it after that. So right now I'm under pressure for my boards only. So for those students, if you're having these queries, if you're scared about, making a decision right now, or if you might make a decision in a hurry, okay, which will end up, wasting a couple of years of your time. So to not do all of this, to avoid all of this situation, what you can do is simply take the DSET program. Okay, what is this? It is conducted by us over the Sundays, 3 hours program. Okay, in our campuses, Diksha campuses, you have to visit. What you can do in that, how can you take this program? So this link for the web page will be given in the description of this particular video. Go ahead, check the link, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team. Okay, once you do that, you'll be asked to visit our campus on Sunday. Okay, only on Sunday. You have to pick a slot. 3-hour session will be there. What is the structure of the session? I'll talk about that. Okay, so this is for the people who are not clear with it. Okay, clear with what to do after 10th grade. But for people who are clear, sir, I am somebody, sir, let's say my name is Priyam. I am clear, sir. Priyam is very clear that I want to do JEE, sir. I want to do engineering, sir. I want to do medical, sir. But bacha, for that also, this will help you to understand your competency level, where you stand in preparation right now. How can you change yourself? How can you be better in your preparation? So whether you should go for JEE, for KSAT, for NEET, this will help you understand that situation also. So this is a win situation for you guys also who are clear with what you want to do after 10th grade. Okay, so please make sure that you use this benefit. Okay. Now I will go back to your questions for your PYQs. So please let's start. Question number 8. I'll talk about the structure of this program, that how does it take place on the Sunday at the end of the session. Right now let's get back to question number 8, the PYQ number 8 for all of you mature. Okay, chaliye. In an AP, If common difference d is minus 4, okay, d is given, and seventh term is 4. Great, sir. Seventh term, how we write, bacha? We write seventh term as a7 equals to a plus 6d. Yes or no? Of course, sir. a7 is given as what, bacha? 4. So right here 4. What's a? I don't know a, sir. That's what they're asking, sir. First term. 6 times of what? D. So minus 4. Minus 4. What I get? 4 equals to a minus 24. Bring over here. What I get? 28 equals to a. Answer is done. It's a PYQ asked in 2018 for 2 marker. 2 marker PYQ asked for 2 marks. Can you see how simple is this? This is easier than the MCQs that we have solved, right? So 2 marker question, they ask for the finding the first term given common difference and the 7th term. So I move on to question number 8. Yes, I hope all of you got this right now. This was visible to all of you. Question number 8. Moving on to question number 9. If the nth term of an AP is given as 129, again a PYQ asked in AI papers 2017C, find the value of n. Find the value of n, sir. Okay. How the formula will go, bacha, for this? An equals to a plus n minus 1 times of d. There is no problem with this, sir. Okay. What is an given as, bacha? 129, sir. What's the first term, sir? Minus 1. N I don't know. What's the common difference? Please check. 4 to minus 1. So 4 minus of minus 1. How much is this? Sir, 5. So my common difference is what, bacha? 5, sir. Great. Times 5. Bring this 1 over here. It becomes what? 130 equals to n minus 1 times of 5. Now bring this 5 over here. It becomes what? 130 by 5 equals to n minus 1. Simple steps, okay? Linear equation step. How much am I going to get for this? 5 2s are 10. 5 6s are 30, right? That's correct, no? Yes. And plus 1. Bring this minus 1 over here. Becomes plus 1 equals to n. So the term which we're looking for is 27th term. It is 27th term, right? 27th term of the AP is going to be what? 129 for the AP given as minus 1, 4, 9, 14 and as such. Okay, simple problem. Again a PYQ asked for I think 2 marker only, but I know all of you will solve if a question like this comes in your board's examination, right? Please agree, say yes in the comment section for question number 9. Any pattern, any question like this will come, we will solve, sir, certainly. Okay, chaliye. Question number 10. The sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 33. Okay. If the product of the first and the third term, so before moving to the second statement, let's make use of the first statement only. Why to confuse ourselves? Okay. First statement states sum of first 3 terms of an AP. We know that how to take the first 3 terms, bacha. A minus D, A and A plus D. Correct, right? Sum is given. How much is sum, bacha? 33. Please check. Equals to 33. This is clear. Sum means adding them. D and D will cancel. I will end up with 3A equals to 33. So A is what, bacha? 11, sir. A is 11, sir. Great. Now A, you know. Acha, this is another condition. Now second condition. If the product of the first and the third term means first term is A minus D and third term is A plus D. Please check. First term is here, third term is here. Product of the first and third term is what? Exceeds, means is bigger than the second term. Second term is this, is bigger by 29. Which is bigger, sir? This size is bigger. To make them equal means plus 29 over here. I'll repeat this step, don't worry about it. Product of first and third term, okay, exceeds means is bigger, is larger than the middle term or second term by how much? By 29. So if I am writing these two together, how can I make this equal to the product? By adding a 29 on this side. Correct, na? Because this product is bigger than A by how much? By 29. So if you add 29 to the A, it will become equal, right? Correct, na? Let's see the multiplication over here. I get what? A square minus D square equals to 11 plus 29. 11, A is going to be again what? 11 square minus D square equals to what, bacha? 40, right? How much is this? Please have a look. I'm getting 121 minus 40 equals to D square. After bringing this D square over here and 40 on this side, I get what? 81 equals to d square, giving me the d value as plus minus 9. Plus minus 9. Okay, find the AP. Question is find the AP. Chaliye, first term we know. Yeah, first term is 11, sir. So I can write this AP to be, let's say I take the combination of 11 comma 9. This is my first term and this is my common difference, right? Nah? What I'm gonna get? 11 comma 2 comma minus 7. Right? No? Please check. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Is it right? Okay. 11 comma 2. If the common difference is D, right? Yeah. So A is 11. 11 minus, okay, plus 9. No. Plus 9, sir. I'm talking about that, right? So I have to check what? 11 comma what? 20 comma 29, right? Comma 29. Okay. Chaliye. All right, sir. Okay. Great. Okay, sir. So no. 1 second. I made a mistake over here, sir. Was the term like? That's what I'm thinking. How is it possible? What's my term here, bacha? 1 second. One mistake I've made. My terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. So if I take the combination of what? 11 and so A is 11 and D is bacha 9. What I get? 2. How much is this going to be, bacha? Simply 11. Okay. And what is this going to be? A plus D. So right, 20. No. So please check here. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus this will be how much? There will be 20 again. If you want to cross check, 20 into 2 is 40. 40 plus 29 is how much? So 40 plus 29 is how much? 11. Please check. Okay. So my terms is this. I can reverse it. If I take this to be minus 9 now, the combination where A is equals to what? 11 only, and D is how much? Minus 9. What I get? Please check. I'll get what for the first term? 11 minus of minus 9. First term is this. Second term, what I'm going to get? Simply 11. And what will be the last term? 11 plus of minus 9. Just reverse this original sequence. Okay. What I get over here? I get here this as 20. This is 11 and this is 2. So either write it as 2, 11 and 20 or 20, 11 and 2. Both of your answers are correct. Both of your answers are correct. Please have a look. Please have a look. Okay. So question number 10 is done. It's a good question. Okay. You have to just find the D value. From there you have to pick the both of AP. Both of the sequences given as 2, 11, 20 and 20, 11 and 2. Chaliye. Moving on to question number 11. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 63 and that of its next 7 terms is 161. Okay. As in CBSE Delhi paper 2020. Please check. Okay. Sum of first 7 terms. So S7 is equals to what? N by 2. So I can write here as simply 7 by 2. Have a look. Formula 7 by 2, right? 2 times of A, right? So 2 times of what? Is A given? Not given, sir. So 2A plus what? 6D. Correct now. 7 minus 1, so 6D. How much is this given as? 63, right? Right, 63 equals to 7 by 2. 2A plus 6D. 7 times 9 is 63. 9 times 2 is what? 18. First equation is what? 18 equals to 2A plus 6D. Equation number 1. 7 times 9 is 63. I've cancelled this and then multiply 2 with this. 2 times of 9 is 18. Next step. And that of its next 7 terms. So first 7 term is like this, let's say. 7th term. And next 7 term is from here 8 to 14, right? So I get total of what? How many terms total here? If I take this also 7, this also 7. Total is how much? 14 term, right? So I'll write it as 7 as sum of 14 terms will be equal to what? 14 by 2. Correct, na? Same formula 2A plus this time 14 minus 1. So 13D. And how much is the sum going to be? 161 plus 63. Please check. Right, now sum of 7 terms plus sum of next 7 terms. It will be sum of 14 terms. So like that. I'm getting here again what? 7. 2A plus 13D. Okay. How much is that, bacha? Please check. 4, 2 and 2, right? Correct, na? 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, I can write this 7 over here. What I get? 2A plus 13D. Can I cancel? 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. So my second equation is looking like this. 2A plus 13D equals to what? 32, equation number 2. Subtract equation 2 and 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 1 is over here. Please have a look. Equation 2 is this. Equation 1 is over here. Subtract 2a and 2a will cancel. So what I'm getting? 0 for that. 13d minus 6d will be how much, bacha? 13 minus 6. So 7. So plus 7d. And 13 excuse me. And 32 minus 18. How much is that? 14. How much is that? 14. Put here this value, d equals to how much? 2, sir. Now substitute this back into the equation number 1. You're going to get this as 18 equals to 2 times of a plus 6 times of 2. Okay. What I'm getting? 18 minus 12 equals to 2a. How much is that? 6 equals to 2a, giving me value of a is 3. Value of a is 3. Please have a look. 2a plus 12, 6 into 2 is 12 because d is coming as 2. So 12 here comes, 6 upon 2 is 3. Okay. So now I have this information. A equals to 3 and d equals to 2. Okay. Let's see what they're asking us to find. Find the 28th term. Chaliye. So A28 they're asking, right? 1 second. They're asking us to find A28. Am I right? Okay. So A plus 28 minus 1 is 27d, right? So A will be 3 plus 27 times of 2. So 54 is that value, I think. 3 plus 54. So answer is 57. This is my final answer. Please have a look. 57 is my final answer. A28 equals to 57. Correct? Please have a look. Chaliye. From here. Question number 11. Delhi CBSE paper 2020. Very good question. Okay. It's a very good question. It can be asked. Similar kind of question can be expected in your exam also. It has property. It has the use of what? Sum of n terms. And nth term also can be asked in 3 marker or 5 marker. Can be asked in 3 marker or 5 marker. Both categories possible. Mostly 3 marker, not 5 marker, but yeah, possibility is there. Please have a look. Okay. Question number 12. Our problem. Prerna saves 32 during the first month, 36 in the second month, and 40 in the third month. That's making an AP, right? Please have a look. The numbers are 32, 36 and 40. That's an AP, right? What's the common difference? Plus 4, sir. Correct, right? If C continues to save in this manner, how many months will it take to complete this value to? 22,000 rupees. Means that what are they looking for? Sir, S2000. Sorry. S of n. The number of months they're asking, right? They're asking number of months, bacha. Excuse me. So Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. The formula is there. Okay. Was Sn going to be 2000? So right here 2000. N we don't know. So n by 2. Okay. Twice of a. So twice of 32 means 64. Correct. Twice of a is 32 no. So 64. First month saving is 32 rupees or 32. They've not given the value for this. So 32. So 32 means 64. Okay. We don't know n. So n minus 1. D is how much? Plus 4. So keep it like this. Alright. N minus 2. 64 plus 4n minus 4, right? Minus 4. What I'm getting for this, please check. N by 2, 60 plus 4n. Okay. I can cancel this 2 with this. So I'm going to get this 30 over here and this as 2n. What I'm ending up with? N times of 30 plus 2n equals to what? 2000. Right? So cross multiply this. Oh, sorry, expand this, not cross multiply. I'm going to get this as 30n plus 2n square. Now bring this everything on one side, making this 2000 on this side. What I'm gonna get 2n square plus, excuse me, please have a look what I'm getting. Try solving from your side. 2n square plus 30n minus 2000 equals to what? 0. You have to solve this quadratic to get the answer for n, right? Okay. Take 2 common also. So n square plus 15n minus 1000 equals to what? 0. I've taken 2 common again. I can bring this 2 on this side. So nothing, it will become 0 again. 0 by 2 will be what? 0 only. No problem. My equation looks like this: plus 15n and minus 1000. Okay, chaliye. Factors we have to make for what? We have to make factors for minus 1000 n square. Okay, minus 1000 n square. How can I make this factor, sir? I can write this as, please check. 1000 I'm getting, right? 24 times 4 is 100. So 24 times 4, no, 25 times 4 is 100. Okay, 1 second. But I'm looking for 1000, no? So I can write it 40. 40 and 25 will make 15 if I subtract them, right? 40 minus 25 is 15, no? So I have to take 40 positive, 25 negative. 40 positive and 25 negative. So please check here. N square plus 40n minus 25n minus 1000 equals to 0. Okay, please check here. I can take n common, so n plus 40 minus 25 common here, n plus 40 again. So I'm getting this factorized as n plus 40 and n minus 25 equals 0. So n equals to what? Either 25 or minus 40. Number of month cannot be negative. They're asking what? How many months? This n represents what? Number of month. Okay, this cannot be negative, means number of months. Okay, for the savings to be what? 2000 will be equal to what? 25. Final answer, please check. Number of months for the savings to add up to what? A value of 2000. Whether this is rupees or whatever the currency value they have taken is going to be what? 25 months for it to be 2000 units. Okay, 2000 units. Please have a look. Okay, chaliye, good question. It's a paper, CBSE paper 2023. It's a PYQ again, a very good question. So similar kind of question can be expected this year also. What problem can be expected this year as well? Chaliye. So question number 12 is done, sir. I hope this is clear for you. Moving on to question number 13. The ratio of the 11th term to the 18th term is 2/3. We'll read the question, but we'll start with the first statement only. Okay, find the ratio of the 5th term to the 21st term, and also the ratio of the sum of the first 5th term and sum of the first 21st term. Okay, chaliye. So let's see the statement number 1 only. We'll go back to that. The ratio of 11th term to 18th term. 11th term to 18th term. How is that, bacha, in symbols? A11 divided by A18. Am I right? Correct, na? How is that A11, bacha? This is going to be A plus 10D upon A plus 17D equals to what? 2/3. Correct, right? Cross multiply. What I'm going to get? If you cross multiply like this and this, I'm going to get this as 3A plus 30D equals to 2A plus 17 to 2, 34D. Bring A terms on one side and D terms on one side. What I'm going to get? 3A minus 2A will be simply A, and 34 minus 30 is simply 4D. So I'm getting that equivalence of A and 4D, means A is equals to 4D. Is that clear? Okay, now we'll see what they're asking. The ratio of 5th term to 21st term. First statement, this to 21st term. How can I write this in symbols? Please check. A5 upon A21. That's how you write it. First term to, sorry, 5th term to 21st term. How write A5, bacha? Same way, A plus 4D. Okay, 21st term, A plus 20D. 4D is how much? A. So right here, A plus A. What about denominator? I can write this as A plus 5 times of 4D, na? Why like that, sir? Because I have the 4D value as A, sir. I need to cancel the variable, right, to get the ratio. For that reason, I have to cancel the variables. So I get what? 2A upon, please check. This will be A plus 5A, na? 4D is 5A. 4D is A, right? So 5 times of 4D will become what? 5 times of A, so 5A. I'm building this as 2A upon 6A. Correct? This is A and A cancelled. 1/3. 2/6 is what? 1/3 is my first part's answer. What's the first part? A5, the 5th term's ratio with the 21st term. So A5 upon A21 is 1 by 3. First part is clear. Okay. Now moving on to the sum part. Okay, good question. Sum of first 5 terms. Again, you can see AI paper 2020. It's a PYQ again. Sum of first 5 means S5 upon S21. So 5 by 2 whole thing divided by 21 by 2. This comes with again same thing, 2a plus 5 minus 1, right? N minus 1 means 5 minus 1. So 4d. Same thing goes over here, 2a plus 21, no? So it comes here again 20d. 21 minus 1 is 20, so 20d. Okay. I can cancel what and what, please check. 2 and 2 can be cancelled, bacha. I'm getting 5 times of 2a plus a, because 4d is equals to what? A. So this is clear. Next over 21 times of, please check. I'm getting here 2a as it is, and this I can write same way what I wrote for this part. 5 times of 4d, so 5 times of 4d. Okay. So this will become what? 5 times of 3a upon 21 times of, please check, 2a plus 5a, right? 4d is a, no? So 15. Okay, I don't have to write 15, no? How come, sir? Please check. 3 times of 7 is 21. So I'm getting here as 5a upon 7 into 7a. 5 plus 2 is 7. Cancel a and a. What I'm getting? 5 upon 49. This is the answer for which part, bacha? Answer for this value. S5 upon S21. The two answers that we had to find is 1 by 3 and 5 by, not for 4a, excuse me, 49. Not for 7 into 7, right? So 49. Please check. 49. Simple enough. Have a look. 7 into 7, right? So 49. Simple question. PYQ. I hope you are liking the sessions, right? Please move on to question number 14. The last PYQ of the day. Then we move on to the last case study. I've taken one case study, okay, in this chapter also. We'll solve that quickly, but before that we have a PYQ again at hand. What problem? Good question. Asked in Delhi paper CBSE 2024. You can see all the questions are very recent, okay? Whether asked in CBSE Delhi paper or CBSE in different examinations. Why, bacha? Because the questions pattern can be repeated, no? Let's say the question was taken in AI paper. The question was taken in AI paper previous year. Similar question can be asked in this year also, right? So question pattern, by making little bit change, question can be repeated. For that reason, I take question from all the categories, okay? Surely, because in every year, no, I've shown you the pattern, plan, and weightage, right? You'll have one MCQ coming, you'll have a case study if it comes, or you'll have a 3 marker or 2 marker like that coming. Okay, so for that reason, how many marks can come? 5 marks can come. So you'll not have a lot of questions like that. But if I take all the papers together for CBSE, then we can make a PYQ of what? I'm making you solve PYQs only most of the time. Even in the regular classes, no, I try to at least keep 50% of the questions to be PYQs only. Okay, in the revision class we keep 100%, but in the regular classes also we were learning the concepts. When I take the questions 6 or 8 questions, I try to keep only PYQs. Okay, if not all, then at least 50% of the questions will be PYQs only. So if you want to solve PYQs with me, you have very good series going on, which is 99 out of 99. Okay, so 99% in 99 day series. Okay, for your mathematics going on our platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation. I hope you have subscribed the channel. If you're watching this video, please subscribe the channel. We are putting a lot of efforts to come here and deliver the concepts, deliver the videos, the sessions for your benefit. So please join us, and boost our confidence going forward. Okay, chaliye. Question number 14. The sum of first and eighth terms of an AP is 32, and their first and eighth term of an AP. Okay, and the product is 60. Let's write the first and eighth term. So A1 plus A8 is what, bacha? Is 32. How I write A1 as? Sir, A1 is A. A8 is what, sir? A plus 70. Correct, na? A plus 70. 8 minus 1 will be what? 7 only, na? 70. So 2A plus 70 equals to what? 32. First condition is written in this mathematical statement. Second condition, product is 60. What they're saying now? A1 into A8 is what? 60. What's A1, sir? Simply A. What's A8, sir? A plus 70 equals to 60, bacha. Can I add 70 value from here? 70 value from here? 32 minus 2a, please check. A, for 70 I can write what? 32 and bring this 2a on this side, so minus 2a. Can I simplify this? Of course I can. So a and a minus 2a will be what, bachcha? Simply minus a, है ना? Please have a look. 32 remains, a minus 2a is simply minus a, equals to what? 60, sir. Can I simplify this? So what I'm getting now? 32a minus a square equals to 60. Okay. So what I'm getting from here, please check. A square minus 32a plus 60 equals to 0. I'm bringing this entire term on this side. So this becomes minus and this becomes plus. It's going to be positive. Okay. Now can I factorize this for a, one variable quadratic equation? I can factorize, right? Please check. 15a, sorry, not 15, forgive me. 30a minus 2a plus 60, right? Correct, na? 30 into 2 is 60, 13 and 2 if you add, you're gonna get what? 32 only. So take here a common, a minus 30 minus 2 common, a minus 30 equals 0. Clear hai? Okay. What's common now? A minus 30, a minus 30. Take here now common, a minus 30 and a minus 2 equals 0. From here I get two values of a is either 2 or a is either 30. Chaliye. Okay. Now for a equal to 2 I can find the common difference. Please check. Can I check from here? For a equal to 2. Please, if I take this to be equation number 1, I'll put a value as 2 and get the d value from there. So put a as 2. So 2 times of 2 plus 7d equals to what? 30. 32, right? Excuse me. Equation number 1 has 32 in it on the right hand side. Simple. What I'm getting, bacha, please have a look. I'm getting this as 4 plus 7d is 32. So I get 7d equals to what? 28. Right now, bring this over here, 28. I get d equals to what, sir? 4. 28 by 7 is how much? 4, sir. So 4. Okay. The last part for this step, where a is what? 30. Check here. 2 times of 30 plus 7d equals to what? 32. How much is this? 60, right? I can write here 7d equals to 32 minus 60. Same thing I'm doing, bringing this thing over this side. So 7d equals to what? Minus 28. What is d equals to? Minus 4. D equals to minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4. Please see. But then they're asking what? Find the sum of its first 20 terms. So I have two situations now. I have to solve for both of them. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Yes, sir. So let's take the two cases where I have a as 2 and d as 4, right? Have a look. Then I took a as 2, sir. A as 2, sir. What's d coming as? Plus 4. When I'm taking a as 30, this a as 30, I'm getting d as minus 4. Second case is what? When a is 30 and d is what? Minus 4. I have to write what? I have to find for both the condition sum of first 20 terms, right? So both times I have to find what? S20. S20. Okay, let's see. So 20 by 2 twice of a, so twice of 2 plus 19 times of d, so 9 times of 4. Correct? Yes. Cancel here. So 10, 4 plus 9 times of 4 is how much? 9 times of 4 is how much? 76, sir. Please check. 10 times of 80, so 800. This is sum of first 20 terms when the common difference is what? 4 and the first term is 2. What about this, sir? Please check, bacha. Again, S20 will be what? 20 by 2, but this time 2 times of a will be 30, so 2a plus, this will remain same, no? 20 minus 1 is what? 19 again, so 19, but d is different. D is what here? Minus 4. So right here, minus 4, sir. 2 by 20, so 20 by 2 will be what, bacha? Again 10, 60 and minus 76, right? Here it was plus 76 because 4 was positive. Here 4 is negative, so minus 76. 10 times of what? Minus 16. So minus 160 for S20. So sum of first 20 terms for the combination of what? 2 comma 4. The combination of what? 2 comma 4 is coming as 800, and sum of first 20 terms for the combination of 30 comma minus 4 is coming as minus 160. Please have a look. This completes your PYQs. As I said, I've taken total of 14 PYQs, so they're done. Now the last question which is left for the day, we'll do that today as well, bacha. One additional thing from my side for you, all of you, my lovely students, case study, right? We have our struggles in case studies, okay, but I hope my students will not have it, because we're practicing case studies, right? So my students will not have any problems in, case studies, okay, for mathematics. Chaliye. So for AP, your friend Veer wants to participate in a 200-meter race, okay. Some information is given here. How to read the case study, bacha? Try to look for the informations, okay, whether it is in numbers or like basically whether it is the information given in statement or numbers. We have to look for that. So first information is like this. Now we have to check whether the information is useful or not. We'll see that later, but first highlight or in your notebook answer key, write the information which you find useful or given in the question. In the case study, okay, he can currently run that distance in 51 seconds. So another information, 51 seconds, okay. Chaliye. With each day of practice, it takes him 2 seconds less. Another information is given here, okay. He wants to do in 31 seconds, okay. So the end result is also given here, 31 seconds. That's his end goal, okay. From above source, answer the following questions. Before that, we'll try to make the AP. Let's see with me. So right now, I can see that 200-meter race is now irrelevant to us, because we are looking for what? AP in time, no? So 51 seconds and 31 seconds. What is 51 seconds? So if you see carefully, 51 second is the current situation, no? Means what? The first term, right? है ना? 51 second is what? The current speed, current time it takes to complete the total race. Okay, so 51 second is my first term. What's the common difference, sir? Very important to know. What's the common difference, sir? The common difference is he takes every day by practicing. He reduces the time to be what? 2 seconds. Means if today is what? If today is let's say 51 seconds, tomorrow will be what? 49, sir. Next will be what? 47, sir. So what's the common difference? 2 less every day. 2 less every day by practice. So what is the common difference? D is, sir, minus 2 seconds. D is what? Minus 2 seconds. And his end result, the goal is what? 31 seconds. Means what, sir? My AN is 31 seconds. If I have to summarize, I will write it over here for you. Please have a look. A is 51 seconds. D is minus 2 seconds. Okay. And your AN is 31 seconds. Now we will solve the questions. Clear to you, right? Question number 1. What is the minimum number of days he needs to practice till his goal is complete? What's the goal, sir? This is the goal, na, sir. Goal of 31 seconds. Means they're asking the value of what? The value of n. Mean how many days he will reach to the point of 31 seconds, when the speed is matched with 31 seconds. Okay, chaliye. So for that I have to find the value of n, sir. Please check. Part 1 for this case study, we're looking to find what value of n. Excuse me. N is given as 31. D is given as, so don't have to write everything again. So AN equals to A plus n minus 1 times of D. 31 equals to 51 plus n minus 1 times of minus 2. है ना? D is minus 2, right? Correct? Bring this 51 over here. So 31 minus 51 becomes what? N minus 1 times of minus 2. How much is that, bacha? So minus 20. Divide this minus 2 over here. Okay, not visible, not clearer. I'll write again. Minus 2 over here. Bring this over here. So minus 2 equals to what? N minus 1. Cancel this. 10 times 10 equals to n minus 1. N equals to 11, not seconds, 11 days. Right now, 11 days of practice. Because every day he increases the speed and takes it 2 seconds less to complete the race. So 11 days is my first part answer, right? Minimum number of days they're asking. No, what is the answer, bacha? For this it is 11 days to reach his goal. First part is covered. Question number 2. Sub question 2. Write the first 3 terms of AP. I've already written over here. Please check. First day is how much? Question number 2. First day is 51. Next day 2 seconds less, so 49. Next day another second, 2 seconds left, so 47. I'll write it over here anyway. So part 2 is what? 51, 49 and 47. They're asking for what? First 3 terms of the AP. Please check. Okay, if nth term of an AP is given by an is 2n plus 3. Chaliye, before we do anything, let's write the given information. an is given as 2n plus 3. चलिए लिख लेते हैं. Find the common difference of the AP. Find the common difference of the AP. Okay, चलिए. So how we find common difference? There's 2 ways to do it. If you want, you can use this method. D equals to an minus a of n minus 1. The current term minus the previous term will be giving me what? The common difference. Or I can do what? Simply find a1, sir. Find a1, find a2 and take the common difference d to be a2 minus a1. है ना? What is a1? Put n as 1, sir. So 2 times of 1 plus 3. How much is that, sir? 5, sir. Put n as 2. 2 times of 2 plus 3. How much is that, sir? 4 plus 3. 7, sir. How much is it, sir? 7 minus 5, sir. How much the answer is? Common difference is, sir, 2. If you want, you can put n as, if you want, you can put here, for a n, write this as 2n plus 3. For this part, no. Write this 2n plus 3 for an, okay. And for this part, same thing you write, but replace n by n minus 1 and then simplify the linear equation. You're going to get the answer to be 2 only. Correct? Chali. Moving on to question number 3, part or. 3 or bachcha. Chali. Find the value of x for which 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Okay. First is the AP terms 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2. So 2x, x plus 10 and 3x plus 2. Let me cross check once to be sure. Yes, sir. Now 1 second, have a look. This is my A1, this is my A2, this is my A3. How you solve it, sir? A2 minus A1 equals to, sir, A3 minus A2. How come, sir? How come, sir? The formula, the definition of what? Common difference. The definition of common difference, please check. X plus 10 minus 2x equals to what? 3x plus 2 minus x plus 10. Please check. The last step I'll write over here. X plus 10 minus 2x is how much, bacha? Is going to be minus x plus 10. On that side, 3x minus x, so sir 2x, plus 2 minus 10, so sir minus 8. Please have a look. 3x minus x is 2x, 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Bring this minus 8 over here and this x over there. I get what? 8 plus 10 is 18 and 2x plus x. 1 second, sir. 2x plus x. So for x equals to 6, this sequence, this series, 2 into 6 will be 12. Please check. X plus 10, so 16. And 3x means 18 plus 2, so 20 will be in AP. Will be in AP, sir. 12, 16 and 20 is AP, right? What's the common difference? 4, sir. What's the common difference? 4, sir. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Please have a look from the very beginning. Question number 3, what is the answer? Common difference is coming as 2. And for this part, for x value is how much? X value is 6, sir. Please have a look. So first is 11, 51, 49, 47. Second part answer. Third part answer is 2, the common difference. And last is x equals to 6. Okay. Please have a look. I hope this is visible to you. Alright, this as well. This completes our session, bacha. Okay, we have solved total 15 very good questions for AP. This completes the chapter also. Okay, now Next session we'll start another chapter which will be on coordinate geometry. We'll see the session number 1 for coordinate geometry. Simple chapter will start, we'll complete it in 2 sessions. Will not require that much of time to complete the chapter. Okay. Now before we go and do that anything, as I promised, I'll talk about structure of the reset program. So 3-hour session on Sunday, we know that, sir. How it benefits us, I know that also, sir. So how can this 3-hour session be designed, this plan to make your benefit, make this thing to be more beneficial for you. So first hour will be a concept based session, means a very senior faculty from our team will take your session. They'll teach you some concept. Okay, now that concept will be taught in only for 45 minutes in the first hour. Last 15 minutes of the first hour will be used for you to ask any questions that you have for the particular concept, for the doubts clarification if you have anything to ask for that particular session. So 1 hour is over. Second hour will be aptitude test based upon the session, means second hour you'll be doing what? An aptitude test for the session. Okay, the 2 hours are over. So whatever you learned, you'll have to write an aptitude test for that. The third session will be a very important session where you can ask all your questions, all your queries, all your doubts with our very experienced counseling team and our team of faculties also. Okay, you can sit with your parents, with yourself, with the faculty members, with the counseling teams, and they'll answer all of your queries that you can have as a 10th grader. Okay, now based upon the evaluation, if you will answer the quiz, okay, this is where you stand, this is what you can do, how can you improve there. So all the questions will be answered. If you ask me, I'll suggest you to write a list of all the questions. Okay, and then you go prepared. Sir, I have this much doubt, and then you're going to come back writing all the answers for all these doubts. You'll be satisfied after this session. Okay, because if you're going for it, you have to make the most use of this DSET program. Okay, so this is how you should take this. If you want to take this seriously, write down all your questions, all your queries in a page, and then go and ask our team of counselors and faculties. Okay, this is it. Now if you consider to join with us for your 11th and 12th, then you'll get a very good scholarship based upon the test that you're going to write in this program. So this aptitude test, what you're writing, aptitude test, you'll be evaluated. Okay, and based upon the test evaluation, your score that you score, you're going to get what? Very attractive scholarship. So I hope this clears what is DSAT, and I know that if you're in Karnataka, if you're in Bangalore, you'll make use of this benefit that you're providing from our end. Okay, so this concludes the session, bacha. I hope you had fun in the session, right? So let me say bye to you. Please take care, please be positive, please be smiling all the time. Okay, not like crazy person. Okay, like be positive and keep positivity around you. Do not be pressured because of the examination which is coming. It's okay, things are tougher, it's all right. We have to do this, means we have to do this. There's no way out of it, but we'll try to face this with bravery, with a smile, a positive environment. Try to keep positive things around you. Don't keep negative people, negative things around you, and keep working hard to achieve your goal that you have set for 99% or whatever is your goal. Okay, wherever you stand in the preparation, you have set a goal for yourself. Keep working for that. What will happen? No, after some time you'll see that okay, I can do better than this. So please keep working. Once just set a goal, set a very big goal. Goal should not be small. Set a big goal and keep working for it. After a few days, you can increase your goal as well. Okay, so with this I would like to end the session and give you a big thumbs up since you watched this video. Okay, a very much congratulations to you, because you are very serious to prepare for the exams that is coming for you in your boards, right? So a very big congratulations for that, and I'll see you in the next session. Keep working hard, keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.